Hi, I'm Sky Crystal. I'm culturally confused and creatively liberated, and tonight I am filming a plant chores video, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. I'm going to be cleaning out my Ikea Fabrikor greenhouse cabinet and rearranging it to make it all nice and neat and tidy in preparation for adding more plants to it. I've taken some propagations this evening and everything like that, so I'll talk you through some of the props that I've done and do some of the bits with you, but yeah, let's get cleaning. Okay, this is my Ikea greenhouse cabinet, and as you can see it's a bit messy and there are quite a lot of plants in here, but the main reason I wanted to clean this is because there's some mold and stuff growing on it, so I'm going to clean it down, and I think I need to put some sort of protective spray on it, but I don't know what spray to use, so I'm just going to keep on top of cleaning it. There's some new props in here, some new plants as well, and I'd like to rearrange it and organise it, so that's what I'm going to do. So first things first, I'm going to take every single thing out, place it all down here neatly, and then clean it all out. Okay, so I cleaned up the top and the bottom and I've moved it all around, so we'll go through the top first. Here we've got a Monstera Adansonii mint variegata that has been sold, so I need to post that. This is a snipping for my friend, and this is an alocasia that I don't know the name of. That is a freshly snipped melanochrysum that needs to grow back. This is kind of like a rehab center area where it's all either been recently propped and growing. Just things grow well on this shelf, so I'm keeping it open and so that I can add more plants to it. In here is a ZZ Raven, which isn't doing great, but it's still growing, so I'm going to leave it there. Shangri-La Pothos, Varicosum, Philodendron, Adansonii variegata Monstera. This I don't think is doing very well, but we'll see what happens with it. Monstera Adansonii mint variegata, Philodendron gloriosum, which I saved, and this is the newest leaf that's pushed out, so I'm really happy with that. A lipstick plant, that is in semi-hydro at the moment, just testing it out. And then I've got some alocasia polycorms in here. A plant I don't know the name of, another plant I don't know the name of. Over here I've got a corm that I grew of a alocasia, and I can't remember which one it is. Wentii, I think. Just a random jar of leca tablets. And then Philodendron melanochrysum, which isn't looking great. And 2 Philodendron green dragons. Looking alright. And then on this shelf, let me just get comfy. Okay, on this shelf we've got my Monstera section. Monstera adansonii variegata, which I recently removed from the prop box and is in sphagnum moss, and I'm hoping that it grows, so yay, wish me luck. My Monstera obliqua, that's seen better days, but it's still alive, so yay. Another Monstera adansonii variegata. A Tillandsia, Spanish moss Tillandsia. Another Tillandsia. And this is my Anthurium section. So Anthurium silver blush, crystallinum silver blush, Anthurium gracile, Anthurium loroquinum that I took a snipping of today. So we'll see how that grows. That I should have 3 now, so hopefully that's, you know, I'll grow them and then prop them and grow them again. And then an Anthurium magnificum. And then my philodendron section. Philodendron white princess with this beautiful leaf. Philodendron majestic. Oh, I'm not sure. Something beautiful. A very cute little philodendron. A philodendron pink princess. Philodendron green dragon. And then on this shelf here, Philodendron Florida Ghost. Philodendron majestic. Philodendron Berlin Marx variegata. And Monstera frozen freckles. Okay, and then we've got my coffee plant here, and then my Syngonium, which I'm not entirely sure which Syngonium that is, and then a freshly propped Moonstone jewel orchid, a selection of snippings of Monsteras, Adansonii. I absolutely love Monstera adansonii. It's probably one of my favourite varieties of Monstera, and I'm gonna have like the most elaborate collection of Monstera adansonii one day. So, and it all starts with this one, a narrow form Monstera adansonii, and I absolutely love it. And then we've got a Philodendron gloriosum, an Amidrium silver, that's its newest leaf, Alocasia black velvet that I regrew back, Philodendron Florida Ghost snippings in semi-hydro, which I'm trying out, Monstera mint variegata, Philodendron squamiferum, Philodendron wizard, Philodendron something or other, Hoya crinkle 8, jewel orchid moonstone, Monstera sultipicana, Syngonium mojito, and Philodendron squamiferum. And that concludes all of the plants in my beautiful little mini greenhouse. I absolutely love this thing. I'm so happy I cleaned it out, actually. Doesn't it look so much better? Yay! Thank you very much for being here, and thank you for watching this video. I'm going to end it here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!